Hey everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. And today I'm here with the topic self esteem. So, what is exactly self esteem? Self esteem is your overall opinion about yourself and how you feel about your abilities and your limitations. That is a simple, sweet definition of self esteem. And when you have a healthy self esteem, you feel good about yourself and you see yourself as deserving the respect from others. That means you feel that others are respecting you. And when you have low self esteem, you put little value on your opinions and ideas, which is not good actually. You have to take care of your own values, your own ideas, and your own opinions instead of putting more value and more importance to other person's opinion and ideas. That doesn't mean that you will not respect them. Yes, you have to respect them, but first of all take care of your own opinions and your own ideas. Then only you will be able to take care of others also. So that is a different topic, we will discuss about it later. First of all, we'll finish with this self esteem. So we have different factors. We have 5 important factors which affect our self esteem. The first thing is your self confidence. Second is your feeling of security, then identity, sense of belongings, and feeling of the competence. So first of all, if you are confident enough that whatever you are doing that is right, that self confidence in your own self leads to a good and healthy self esteem. If you yourself is not confident कि I am able to do it or not, you will not be able to reach the healthy self esteem. You'll always be in a dilemma. Okay, should I do or should I not? So that is not a healthy sign actually. So if you have a self confidence, definitely you will have a good self esteem. Then feeling of security, your identity, your sense of belonging, and feeling of competence. I feel you should not compete with others. Compete with yourself. See what you were yesterday and what you are today. What are the things, what are the changes you could make to make a better tomorrow? Don't compete with others. It won't give you anything. Compete with yourself. See how you can improve yourself. See what are the things which are negative in yourself. Go back to the same thing and try to improve it. Make it positive. So guys, this is all about self-esteem. 5 important types and what type of self-esteem do you have and which you should have. That is very important. Regarding this, again I will come back with other video tomorrow. I will discuss about the importance of the self-esteem and what type of self-esteem leads you where. So meet you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.